getting any direct paramızdan asıl zararlar.
I hope that today you will be a happy day, and I congratulate you with English language.
We're up all night to get lucky. The present has no ribbon.
Very good.
I am going to school and wow, I think my best is my day. I am ready to go back to school. I have also learned to play and run and play. I am in the village and what a happy day. Yes, of course, and the book. My day is knowledge is in the book. Look at the sign, it's a teacher right now.
She's up all night to the sun. I'm up all night to get some. She's up all night for good fun. I'm up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to the sun. We're up all night to get some. We're up all night